Yes. Because I like to embarrass myself. Calm down. Time to go, like, Africanized. Because there's no lights on.
Ridiculous strides.
Yeah, me.
Ridiculous. We're at SAT prep. And, oh, look, you can't even see
Have you
me.
ever seen him run?
No.
It's the funniest thing.
but
He like swings it on like
Kathy's
this,
being a bully to
and he
kids.
takes, like, the biggest, he like leads. He like,
But we can take 7.
I'm not
Ooh!
gonna show you. I
Ooh!
look like an idiot. I'm not, no.
Shall we? No.
So we're at SAT prep right now, and it's like 5 o'clock, something maybe ish. 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. We get to leave at 5, and Kathy's looking at me because I'm really stupid, and I don't
it's actually like
care
4:20.
because you know
It's
what?
4:20.
Oh my God, Courtney! Yesterday I was watching this video of this guy asking this girl to prom on YouTube, right? And
I
then
saw that.
Yeah, and then he was
I
like,
saw a
"Will
news
you,
article on that.
will you go with me on 420?" Because that's the day of their prom, and
But it's
then
really the day they're just gonna smoke a bunch of weed. That's brutal.
that's what Kathy's gonna do.
That's why I'm wearing green.
She's.
That's why I like it green.
Did you lose your shoes? Because I think I found them.
Those are actually track spikes. So no, I did not lose my shoes. My shoes are on my
Well, where do you put them? On your feet. What do you put on your
went there.
feet? Shoes. Ooh, yeah.
Do those look like
I
shoes?
went there.
I do.
It was being sarcastic, okay,
feet.
Casticle?
They're really bad
Okay,
at sarcasm. That's not sarcasm.
Awkward, 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 awkward. Hey, the show, awkward. Can we go watch it? Can we go what?
What's it?
Stalkward? I always say that when I say awkward.
awkward?
Stalkward. Well, I really have to
Are you gonna
pee.
join the
GCA? Oh, GCA.
announcement?
The GCA meeting is now happening.
GSA. Get her right, you Russian.
The
You're not even like Russian anymore. You're getting so many things wrong.
What does that mean?
It means you've got 2 things wrong so far. Third strike and you're out, okay? Okay.
I've been on a high honor roll since I was like.
And
fucking 5
I've
years
been
old.
on nothing roll since I was like
Wow.
born. Oh,
I just really
yucky, yucky, yuck. Word. I don't know why I did that.